Stuck in the elevator at the bottom. I'm at the bottom stuck. Sausage! I'm stuck in the elevator! I'm stuck in the elevator! What a sausage! What a sausage, mate! What a sausage! Oh, you're gonna get con-banned as well now. Oh, you sausage. They won't learn. They don't learn. They don't learn. They don't learn. None of them learn. Not one of them. Potty mouth, eh? That's what you get for being a sausage. What a shot, mate. That was a beamer. That was a beamer shot, bro. Follow me on TikTok, bro. Follow me on TikTok.